Welcome to back my channel. Ball trimmers are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research and reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of ball trimmers from trustworthy brands to assist you in deciding on an extensive investigation. I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000. Best beard trimmer for head-to-toe styling. The Philips Norelco 7000 is a true powerhouse in the grooming world. With a massive 23 attachments, it tackles everything from precise beard styling to haircuts, body trimming, and even nose and ear hair. At its core are self-sharpening dual-cut steel blades, designed for maximum precision and longevity, while its durable frame and non-slip rubber offer a comfortable grip. It is powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 5 hours of cordless use. Conveniently, all attachments are washable for quick and easy cleanup. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is fantastic for men seeking a single device to manage all their various facial hair and body hair grooming needs. Anyone who desires consistently great trimming performance and durable build quality. Frequent travelers who need a well-organized grooming kit on the go. Benefits: durable, long-lasting construction, smooth, consistent performance, unmatched versatility for head-to-toe grooming. Drawbacks: higher price point due to features. Could be overwhelming for those seeking a basic trimmer. Up to 5 hours of runtime on a single charge. Promising review: 60K plus total. I've had this product for a few months now, and I am thoroughly enjoying it. The quality is solid, and it feels durable. I primarily use a couple of the heads guards for trimming my hair and beard, and they perform exceptionally well. They are powerful, sharp, and provide clean cuts. One of the standout features is its long-lasting battery life. I rarely need to recharge it because I can get multiple trims from a single charge. This makes it incredibly convenient for weekend trips, as I don't have to worry about bringing a charger along. Overall, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is a top-tier choice for its all-in-one capability. Number 2. Beardscape Brio Beard and Hair Trimmer. Editor's Choice Best Beard Trimmer. The Beardscape Brio Beard and Hair Trimmer provides a smoother, more powerful trim, thanks to its unique design. Foremost is its 4x harder ceramic blade for smoother, sharper cuts with reduced heat. It adapts motor speed automatically based on hair density, ensuring consistent cutting power regardless of beard thickness. A wide range of length settings, 1mm, 19mm, and included guide combs make it suitable for both stubble and longer styles. The Brio offers cordless convenience with a long-lasting battery and waterproof construction for wet-dry use. The Beardscape Brio is great for men seeking a premium grooming device that prioritizes durability. Those frustrated by inconsistent cuts, snags, or trimmers struggle with thicker hair. Anyone desiring the convenience of waterproof trimming and simple cleanup. Benefits: durable, long-lasting ceramic blade, smooth trims, less irritation, waterproof and versatile trimmer head. Drawbacks: bulkier than some beard-only trimmers, not ideal for ultra-fine detailing. Promising review: 2K plus total. I've gone through God knows how many trimmers. All I wanted was even stubble on my face in one pass, no hassle and quick. For the last 3 years I could never find one. They're all weak, uneven, disappointing. This is amazing. Smooth, even stubble in one pass. I'm done in 5 minutes. I'm trimming more than ever. And it's powerful with great battery life. Save the hundreds on various crappy trimmers and just start and end. Number 3. Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Plus Beard and Nose Trimmer. Best beard trimmer for value. The Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Plus stands apart with its robust stainless steel build. Featuring Wahl's signature precision blades, it promises long-lasting sharpness and the ability to achieve clean lines effortlessly. Powered by advanced lithium-ion technology, this trimmer delivers extended cordless usage for convenient grooming. Alongside its main beard trimmer, it includes various attachments and trimmer guards for the nose, ears, and other detailing work. The Wahl Beard and Nose Trimmer are ideal for men who appreciate the durability and sleek style of stainless steel. Those seeking reliable power and precision for all their beard grooming needs. Users who want flexibility with a multi-purpose trimmer for beard, nose, and ear hair. Benefits: impressive power to weight ratio, powerful lithium-ion battery for extended use. Beginner-friendly trimmer heads. Doesn't require frequent sharpening or replacement. Has a nose and ear trimmer for full-body trimming. Drawbacks: zero gap limitations. Lacks a detailed battery life display. Promising review: 5K plus total. I purchased a cheap brand from Amazon at first, and I couldn't even trim my beard because it was so painful. I returned that pair and decided to spend a few extra buckaroos on this Wahl. These trimmers feel heavy-duty, twice as heavy as the cheap pair. All the attachments are easy to use and work fantastic. Very happy with my purchase. Overall, for men who want a dependable beard, nose and head trimmer without fancy bells and whistles, the Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Plus gets the job done. Number 4. Panasonic Multi-Shape. Best beard trimmer for unmatched performance. The Panasonic Multi-Shape redefines grooming with its modular design. At its heart lies advanced Japanese blade technology engineered for exceptional sharpness and a super close shave that rivals an electric shaver. It goes beyond many trimmers with wet-dry capabilities for shower use or easy cleanup. The comfortable ergonomic design and cordless operation offer maximum maneuverability. Beyond basic beard trimming, various attachments, sold separately,
Bevel
unlock its potential for hair, body, and other specialized grooming needs. The Panasonic Multi-Shape is a dream for those looking for the smoothness and irritation-free results of Japanese blade technology. Anyone who prefers wet shaving or values the convenience of in-shower trimming. Users who want the flexibility to expand their grooming routine with specialized attachments over time. Benefits: lightweight design for easy maneuverability. Travel lock prevents accidental activation. Compatibility with disposable razors. Potential for extensive customization with optional attachments. Drawbacks: the motor is less powerful than heavy-duty trimmers and trimmer heads. Promising review 200 plus total. I needed something reasonably priced to trim my beard daily. This works great. Has many attachments and seems very sturdy so far. You can buy with confidence. Overall, the Panasonic Multi-Shape focuses on delivering unrivaled closeness, smooth trims, and a luxurious grooming experience. Its modular design allows you to choose only the attachments you truly need. If you appreciate top-of-the-line quality and adaptability, the Panasonic Multi-Shape is worth serious consideration. Number 5. Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240. Best beard trimmer for precision overall. The Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240 stands out with its precision dial for adjustable length, offering impressive 39 length settings for ultimate control over your beard style. It boasts lifetime sharp metal blades for consistent trimming performance over time, complemented by the included Gillette FUSIO N5 Pro Glide razor blades for detailed work. Braun's auto-sensing technology adapts motor power to maintain smooth performance on any beard thickness. For even more versatility, the Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240 is compatible with Braun electric razors, allowing you to effortlessly switch between trimming and a clean shave. The Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240 is a great fit for men who want fine-tuned control over their beard length and style. Those desiring a trimmer that effortlessly handles varying hair densities. Anyone seeking the clean-shaven look on their cheeks and neck with the included razor. Users who value the peace of mind provided by durable blades. Benefits: adaptive motor technology for smooth performance. A wider range of length settings with its precision dial. Lifetime sharp blades for low maintenance use. Includes Gillette razor for detailed work. Drawbacks: may lack specialized attachments for nose ear hair. Not designed for full body trimming. Thorough review 2K plus total. I bought 3 different beard adjustable trimmers. Just had to narrow down a few choices. Hold them and try the ergonomics out. Panasonic SB40K was twice as expensive as this Braun. The other Panasonic was half the cost of this Braun. So price-wise it's right in the middle. Pros: overall it's a good size, somewhat on the smaller side, which I like. Easier to maneuver and won't easily drop out of hand. Power is good. Nice that it works cordless or corded. It's great looking. It unsurprisingly won Style Awards, German. The adjustment dial doesn't move too easily, has good distance. It stays at the length you want. Blades are sharp and power through thick hair. Doesn't pull hair, like the more expensive trimmer does. Low noise. The least noisy of the 3. The handle feels good and solid, good surface texture, and doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't have gimmicky lights and stuff on it. Includes all accessories I need for beard styling and haircut. Li-ion battery charges in 1 hour, and it powers for an hour. Cons: this model is $20 plus more expensive than Braun's model without one of the trimmer heads and a stand. That seems a bit much. But hey, I wanted those things. I wish it had a pop-up trimmer like my old school Panasonic did. I kept the Braun BT7240. I've had it a few weeks. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.